Hi, today we're gonna show you how to explain the filter replacement in our P600 V machine. So like you see, before you start anything, make sure that the machine is plugged off and the power is completely disconnected. Uh, Remove the four bottom screws which are here, and once you have removed it with the screwdriver or a power tool, this is how the step-by-step procedure follows. So take out the bottom, remove the gasket, keep it safe, not from dust, and then use a small screwdriver to remove the HEPA very gently, because if you press it strongly you may rupture the HEPA. So make sure that you take it out and pull it out, and then hold the pre-filter, which you can see the pre-filter overcloth, the pre-filter and the carbon filter together, and slowly try to pull it out without rupturing or breaking the pre-filter, just like this, and keep it on the table. So as you can see, this is our P600 machine, so do not touch the UV light or plug the machine back on, because the exposure to UV light may be dangerous for your health and eyes. So make sure that the gasket is placed properly within the encircled portion. Then we will start inserting the filter once again. So make sure that you line up your pre-filter overcloth and the pre-filter properly in line. Make sure there is no dust, because it's very easy for the dust to accumulate it. So put back inside like this. Make sure the pre-filter is seated properly behind the gaskets so that there is no air leakage. Just like this, make sure that everything is intact. And now we're gonna insert this carbon filter inside the machine. So your machine will have a hard cardboard type material which we call slider. So make a small cylinder and insert it inside the machine, just like this. Open up a little to form a funnel shape. Hold the filter. Make sure that you do not drop it immediately. You need to let it down very gently and slowly so that it goes and sits properly. And the gasket should be properly be in its own position. So once you do that, make sure that the cloth is not coming out, and briskly take out the slider. Then we take the HEPA. The closed end of the HEPA should be on the top side. Gently drop it. Put back the gasket on, and then put back the bottom. Align it, the four holes into the four screw holes. Take a screwdriver or a power tool.
Thank you.
And slowly start assembling the screws.
What do you think from today's meeting? Seems like they're really afraid if that's today's thing, because it's so complicated. But I'm setting up the loan from at least the sequence like that's the most confusing. That is something.
So once you assemble all the 4 screws, your machine is ready to be used again with the new filter. So handle it very carefully, turn it upside down, connect the power back to the socket, and your machine should be ready to be operated.